Today, I'm going to be sharing 5 mistakes that you should avoid right after your car accident. I'm personally injury attorney Rosas. Number 1, admitting fault at the scene. Any statement that you say to the other drivers, to the other victims, to the police, excited utterances. They come out without us even thinking. Like, I'm sorry, are you doing okay? Oh, I didn't see you. You came out of the blue. Those things usually happens when something that shocks us, an event that is just like, boom, shocks the conscious. In these instances, we don't even realize what we're saying until someone else points it out. So what you want to do is avoid admitting fault. Yes, go check on the other drivers, go check on the other passengers, check on your passengers, make sure that everybody's okay. But don't make statements like, I'm sorry, I didn't see you, it came out of the blue, something happened, whatever it is. Just be conscious, keep your cool, keep calm. It's already a stressful enough incident that you just want to make sure that you don't make any excited utterances. Number 2, not calling the police. You have to call the police. Call them from the scene. Let them know an incident happened, whether there's someone injured or not, whether there's a need for emergency assistance, like the firefighters, ambulance, someone needs to be taken to the hospital. Police will come. They will make a report. In that report, all the information will be contained, like driver's license, insurance information, addresses, witnesses, cited someone if they committed a traffic infraction, usually someone that's speeding, failed to yield, any type of traffic violation. Those reports are crucial. The first thing that we do as attorneys, it's ask you if the police was called and if they actually filled out a police report, because that gives us already some knowledge of the other person's insurance information, their driver's license, who they are, if anyone was cited, an idea of how the incident happened, location. All that information contained in the accident report is super helpful. The only thing is, don't forget about mistake number 1, admitting fault. When you talk to the officer, let them know what happened on the incident, but do not accept responsibility for this. However, accident reports are not the last say. Police officers do make mistakes sometimes, but keep in mind, not admitting fault, but also making sure that you give as much information as possible to the officer so he can make a proper accident report. Number 3, delaying medical attention. In Florida, you have 14 days to get medical attention. That's in order to activate your personal injury protection. Florida is a no-fault state. It means that everybody must carry their own insurance, which is a minimum of $10,000 that you can only activate and you can only take advantage of if you seek medical attention right away or at the latest 14 days from the moment of the incident when it happened. So you have to see a doctor within 14 days. Call us. We can guide you and we can tell you, we can help you, give you options of where you can go. Sometimes it's an urgent care. Sometimes you need to go to the hospital. Sometimes you just need a chiropractor. It's important to make sure that you go seek medical attention. The sooner, the better. Number 4, probably this is the most important one. Talking to the insurance companies. Do not talk to the insurance companies. Do not call the insurance companies, especially when it's the other party's insurance company. What they're seeking is trying to resolve the claim as quickly as possible and for the least amount of money as possible. The other insurance companies might get statements from you, and usually they use them to assign you part of the negligence of, because of the accident happened and you're still at fault for this much, therefore we're going to only pay you this much when you're entitled to this much. Don't talk to the insurance companies. Don't talk to the adjusters. You do not need to open up the claims yourself. You can call an attorney. we can open up the claims for you. We can talk to the insurance companies. We can take away the headaches of dealing with them. We're going to be your barrier. We're going to be there to protect you because our interests are your interest. We want to make sure that you're taken care of, not that the insurance company is taken care of. Don't talk to the adjusters. Don't talk to insurance companies. If they call you, hang up. There's absolutely no need for you to talk to them. Number 5, do not forget to document. Take pictures, videos of the scene, of the cars, of the driver's license, of the insurance cards, of the registration of the cars, license plates, location. Everything that you can document is going to be super helpful, especially if we have to go to court, because all that information, it's right there, fresh. You're at the scene, you're at the location, you are with all the parties involved. So you want to gather as much information as you can, have it in case we were to need it. Anything can happen. So you want to have your own version of events. And you're right there. Take photos, take videos, write it. Everybody carries their own phone, so use that. We can use all of that information later on within your case and avoid making all of these mistakes. 5 of them. Don't admit fault. Call the police so they can make an accident report. Do not delay treatment. Most importantly, do not talk to the insurance companies. Number 5, document. Document everything. Anything and everything can help us. So make sure that you do not make these mistakes so you don't lose money, so you don't lose what is rightfully yours that you're already losing because of this accident. Hopefully you never need me, but if you do, I'm here, ready to fight for you. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, send it to your family, save it for the future, take a look again. Also, leave any comments, questions, videos that you want to see, anything that you want me to talk about. I'll be looking at those and I might make the next video tailored to what you say.